morning, everyone. It is day 3 of our Ireland box. Red deer. Largest mammal there.
That's right.
You should have already put your facts in your passports. We worked on the letter I again yesterday, and Miss Stacy and I agreed that this looks like the back of a Lucky Charms.
It kind of does. It's cute though.
Kind of does. Those marshmallows are the best. I could eat.
Oh yeah, they are.
Lucky Charms.
They are good.
Marshmallows. I think I'd take a whole box of those. I don't know what it is. Those are a little good. All right, so today we're gonna play a game. So we have a lucky coin toss. You should have your pot for your gold. You should have some chips, some gold coins.
Yeah, what's it, chips?
And your board that looks like this. I'm going to move all this stuff.
Yes, so we need lots of room to play today.
Yeah. All right. Put this up here. All right. So we are going to lay our board out. I'm kind of gonna put it a little crooked, and then put your pot right at the top. And we'll pull it in. So it
Just there you go.
And, just to begin, just grab a coin, see if you can even get it
Nope.
on your board.
Oh, nope. Try again. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
There we go.
There's one. The goal is to get it in the pot, but oh, that's all right.
Oh, close.
Getting close.
Well, you knocked it. Yep.
Oh, maybe higher. No, too high. Once you practice this a little bit, go back in, put some numbers on here. So let's just make it real simple right now. We'll just do a 1 on all of them. And then my pot, I'll get 2 points. I'll get 2 points if I get there. Okay? Your goal is to...
Oh, good one.
All right, so if you look at my board, I really only got, I'm going to count that one because it's kind of on.
It's on there.
So we'll count 1, 2, and this one counts.
Yep.
So I have 3. My first one, I got 3. I got 3 points. So let's see. You can play this with a friend. Play it with your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad. Friends, your family. Whoever you have around. See who can get the highest score. And then, if you want it more challenging, you put it on the floor and stand way back. Or let's see if we can bounce them. Do they bounce?
Are those bouncy coins? Those best.
All right, so I did not do so well this time. I only got 1. But this game, you play over and over. So you can change these numbers depending on the age and the skill. So you could give maybe this big one just a 1. And maybe the smaller ones, you could do a 3, you know, maybe 2 here. Give this 3. And of course, my pot, I'm gonna give that one 5.
Oh, that's a big bonus.
That is a big bonus. Okay, let's see. I'll just do 3 of these. Oh, wow, that was not good at all. That's kind of
Yeah, that's on. I'll cut that. That's on.
That's kind of on. Wow, that's not really on. All right, so I only got 3 on this one. This one's like in between. Maybe I'll give myself a half a point.
There you go. There you go. Half a point.
So after you play with the numbers, erase it. You can can put some words on here. You can put just letters, and if they land on it, they have to tell you the letter. So if they land on the A, they have to say A.
And for our advanced kids, maybe.
Bat,
Yep.
Bat, rat. And maybe if they land on it, they would have to tell you a rhyming word.
There you go.
That
Yep.
goes with bat.
Yes.
So if they land on bat, they would have to say
Hat. Right.
something like that. All right. So many different ways you can play this game. Erase. Be creative. I would love to see your different ideas that you do with your children. That is all I have for today. Tomorrow we'll be working on our Ireland scene, I believe.
Yes.
So join me here tomorrow at 9:15. All right, you guys, have a fantastic day. Bye.